Mom, Dad.
Luna!
Hello po. Mwah.
Hello?
Mwah. Mom, Dad, si Calix po. Boyfriend ko.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you then, Iho. Tamang-tama ang dating niyo. We just ordered appetizers.
No, that's okay. Just sit down.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan.
Order what you want.
Ay, sige pa. May gusto ka ba, Calix?
You choose. Thank you po.
Kain ka lang ng kain, Calix. Huwag ka mahiya.
Sige po.
So, Luna, what's your plan after here?
Wala po, Ma. Talagang sinet po namin yung day para dito.
I actually wanted to introduce myself to you po.
Oh, that's nice.
So I heard you're taking legal management.
Yeah, I'm planning to take law school too.
Law school. Future lawyer. I see. What are your plans after law school?
I'm planning to work as a defense attorney in a law firm. After gaining experience and trust from the clients, I'm planning to open my law firm too.
So you'll be focusing on criminal law, I assume. Why so? Why not, let's say, corporate law?
I like a good challenge, sir.
Good challenge. You like a good challenge. What if a murderer wants to hire you? Would you accept it?
Dad, ano to? Recitation?
Innocent until proven guilty, sir. Everyone has the right to be represented in court. But whatever happens, whatever decision I make, I'll always choose my moral principles above anything else.
I like that. I really like your answer. Alam mo, bihira yung taong alam yung gusto sa buhay. Especially ngayon sa mga kabataan. Yung plano mo ay masyadong detalyado para sa future mo. It's a good job.
Thank you. Actually, your daughter helped me to dream bigger.
Are you saying that our daughter is part of your future?
Yes, sir. I can assure you I only date to marry. And the only goal of dating your daughter is to marry her one day. Of course, if that's okay with you, po, and Luna.
Ay, sandali, Calix, ha? Huwag mo na natin pag-usapan yung mga kasal-kasal na yan. Masyado pa kayo mga bata. At saka baby pa tong Luis Natasha ko.
Oh.
Just kidding, anak. Pero Calix, ha, jokes are half meant. Kaya huwag muna. Kain na lang muna tayo.
Oh, the seat?
Dad,
Yeah.
oh.
This is fine.